Yun, welcome back mga master. So, welcome to my YouTube channel mga master. Another fishing adventure tayo ngayon mga master. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa sa Askar. Malaki pa yung bakante dito mga master. So, yung kasama ko mga master, yung Egyptian, mag-asawang Egyptian sa Pilipina. Maraming salamat sa kanila. Nakalibre tayo patungo dito. So yun, may mga nagpipishing na dito. So yun, abang-abang mga master kung makakahuli kami. Yun. So yun mga master, habang yung babad natin wala pang kumakagat, kakasting muna tayo dito. Tarao ng pukol. Unang huli guys. Unang huli natin, no? Gaong. Laglag na.
A few moments later.
Yan, fish on mga master. Here. Yes. Yung mga master na opposite na. What is this? Why no jumping? No jumping. No lapis? Maybe barracuda? Yeah. Queen fish. No, barracuda.
Don't rush.
I think barracuda. No. Queen fish.
Don't rush.
Big dessert. Treble. Yeah. No problem, these are loose. I drag.
If you will jump, if you put the hook up, it might cut off. So that's why you should always bending down a little bit. fighting. Make it get down so where is the can see?
Almost. Very near. Do not swim, ha?
I was wondering if nakita na namin ang tulog and I was
Kaliwali lapis, do not swim. Pagod na ata.
You need to wear your eyeglass.
Goggles.
Wearing eyeglass where?
No, still no. Grabe, ang bigat. Pahila. Nagpahila ang putik. Ah. Yes. Easy, baby.
Dangerous.
Ikaw mo naman mapagod. Hoy, pagod ka na. Hoy, pagod ka na. Ah,
Easy, still healthy.
yun landing. Ay, here. Oh, careful ha. Kaliwali lapis. Wait. Yo, landed. Landed rin.
Hold your line first, so we can take picture for you.
Okay. Okay.
But let your kabayan take. Oi, it's nice.
See?
Maybe, yeah.
Check the bait. Still no biting. The bait.
Come here. Okay? I'll take it out for you.
Haircut.
Eh?
Haircut. Landed. 1-0.
Better than not.
You have this video which you died. For really?
You have pliers? You have pliers?
Lion? Ah, yeah. Where?
This one inside, check. Inside. Ah, he ate this one. Oy.
Ay, be careful, ha? Obi ka rin tilmara.
Okay.
Wala, kuya.
Wala. Pwede pa. Yan mga master. Nakabamaw tayo mga master. Grabe laki. Oh. Shit. Iyan na. Hindi ko mawakan. Yun, mamaw. Landed.
A few moments later.
Yun mga master, tapos na tayo sa pamimingwit mga master. Ay yung mag-asawa kasi nasa pumunta ng Junaid, kaya yung mga dala ko tsaka huli ko nandun na sa bahay. Nauna na, binalikan ko na yung bike ko, kaya wala na sa gabal sa pag-uwi mga master. So yun, at least may biyaya, may isa kaming nahuli, tapos tatlo yung strike, yung isa barakuda, sayang lang naputol, tapos yung dalawa anhok, lapis. So yun, sana makahuli kami sa susunod. So yun, hanggang dito na lang mga master. Fish on. Bye bye.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, yeah. Never run. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you show me your heart, lay down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, or rain when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night